Guys, it's me, Sophia, and I'm here to, I have two slimes and I want to show you them. Okay, first I'm going with the pink because I like pink. Favorite color. No, I think I'm going with the blue. To the side. Okay, so I'm going with the pink. It like watery, and I keep it to restore because if you like take it out, it'll get watery. Thank goodness this didn't get watery. That was my favorite kind of like slime. But at least, anyways, I'm going to try it out. Sticky. Funny. I got all out. Okay, let's just play with this. I think it has like cute. It has a cute dinosaur. It's so cute. And I need one like this for my collection. Anyways, duh. Okay. It's cute. I'm gonna put it by this side there. And we're going to continue it with slime. I know that part when I say duh. So anyways, slime fun. Actually, slime fun. Oh, it's so icky. Look at it. What a waste. Twist and turn. Twist and twist and. Juicy, 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 juicy. Juicy, 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 juicy. Juicy, juicy, juicy. So the slime is so like icky. Ow. Just kidding you. Okay. The slime is like very icky, so don't ignore that part. Okay, so let me just ignore that part as I was saying. And look, this is so sticky. Let's see the stretchies. Stretch, stretch, please stretch, stretch, stretch. The stretchy real good. Right. You can barely see my face. It's thick. So this is a really really thick, and I like it. Okay, we're done with this slime. So like, I'm gonna just pull it in there. It's like fat. Yeah, fat. Thick. It's so thick. Could barely get this fat dinosaur in. Duh. Yeah, let me see. The dinosaur cute on this. Yeah, the dinosaur cute. So let's cover it back. Bloop, 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 bloop. God love you. Like this rhyming song, it's like blah 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 blah. God love you. Let's open this. Let's pop. I know that part. Let's open this. And this slime feeling slimier than this one. This one like feeling hard, and this one feeling so gross. And because it's so slimy, actually this one better than that one because like that one hard. Sticky. Anyways, as I was saying, it's like if we spill some slime on Mommy's laptop. Here, my mom's laptop. Okay. Ew. that win the slimy award. Oh, blue. It's so blue and fishy and icky. Look how gross. Again, another toy. But this time it's a fish. Cool. It's so pretty. Somebody knows there. And this is so pretty. Let me put it aside. This is how you just put it. Just call them toys collector. I got 2 toys collector. Maybe just now I get 3. Look. As I was saying, maybe just now I'll get 3 toys collector. And like gosh. Ew! This is so slimy that I could do a slime prank with it. And speaking of slime prank. Ugh. Disgusting. Look how stink this looking. Not stink, but icky. Yep. Stinky. Alright. Oh, slime keep on getting on my fingers. Right. So I'm a slime monster. You can see me? Can you? No, you can't see me. Ew! What's this? Duh. So disgusting. Okay. I think I finished with the slime test. Well, now we still need to do these stretches. Oh. I think this is the one where win the stretches award. Well, win the slime award. Alright. Put it back in its shelf. Get it shelf. Crazy. Call me crazy, but I say baby. Put the toys collector in there too. Well, it's swim because when fish on land is die. I don't want my toys collector to die, so. Love, love, love slime. Well, not love, but love. Okay, that will be all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Oh, and subscribe. Click the location bell. Okay, bye.